Hey guys. Each step is important. Don't skip any steps. I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working problem in Windows 11. In this step, click on Start icon. Select Setting option. Then click on Update and Security. Now go to Troubleshoot section. And on the right side, click on Additional Troubleshooters. Now just scroll down. Then click on Windows Store Apps. And then click on Run Troubleshooter. It will take some time to detect problem and to solve it. If it is possible. Once done. So we need account. For that, close all windows. Click here and search for Windows PowerShell. And run it as administrator. Now here comes an important part. To avoid mistakes while typing very important commands. Providing you this in the description below. Just copy it from here. And simply right-click to paste that command. And hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. So wait for it. Once done, type exit to close this window. Now for the final step. Click on Start icon. Select Settings. Then go to Accounts. Now, click on Family and Other Users. And click on plus sign. To add someone else to this PC. If you don't have account, just create one. And click on Finish. If you again click on this plus button, it will start showing an account. Then select it. And click on Change Account Type. Simply set it as Administrator. Click on OK. And that's it guys. Your problem is solved. You are good to go.